Hello friends, today I am going to tell you how you can insert annotations on real-time recording. So for example, I am recording this screen, right? So I am using this tool, Ace Thinker. So I will share you the link in the description of this video. You can just download it. You can click here to download. I have already downloaded this software in my system. This is the software. So after opening it, you just need to click on recording. Once the recording starts, you just need to click on this option, edit, and here you can see these options. You can click here on this rectangle. You can change the color as well. You can select the circle. You can select this line, arrow. You can add text. You can insert this call out as well, like this: 1 2 3 and 4. And you can also use other options like eraser, and you can use these features perfectly on the live video, and it will work perfectly fine for you. And you can also remove them by clicking on this option, undo. You can remove them. I hope friends now you will be able to do it. In case you still face any problem, just comment below and I will give you a prompt reply. If you find this video helpful friends, then click on the like button and subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos. Thank you friends, bye bye and take care.